These vegan energy balls are addictive and they are so easy to make and so good for you. We'll start with a cup of oats, which has soluble fiber that's great for your digestion. Put that into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which have omega-3s that reduces inflammation, and it has calcium, and they're so filling with all their fiber. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will add some sweetness without any sugar. And then add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I thought that was plenty sweet, but you can certainly add another tablespoon if you'd like. Then a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. You know, peanuts have more protein than any tree nut, and it's probably because they're a legume. They're full of fiber and they're an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, and they are popular for a reason. Okay, we're gonna mix all that together and then take out a piece of parchment paper, put it on top of a plate. Now, toppings. I chose to add a piece of chocolate to one of my energy balls, but you can add whatever you like. Throw those cuties into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and then they will be done. So now tell me, would you make these vegan peanut butter energy balls? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And also, what are your thoughts on toppings? What do you recommend?